A Bird's Lesson. Author unknown. A little bird with feathers brown sat singing in a tree. The song was very soft and low, but sweet as it could be. And all the people passing by looked up to see the bird, whose singing was the sweetest that they had ever heard. But all the bright eyes looked in vain, as Bertie was so small, and with a modest dark brown coat, he made no show at all. "Dear Papa," little Gracie said, "where can this birdie be? If I could only sing like that, I'd sit where folks could see. I hope my little girl will learn a lesson from that bird, and try to do what good she can, not to be seen nor heard. This birdie is content to sit unnoticed by the way, and sweetly sing his Maker's praise from dawn to close of day. So live, my child, to do some good. Let life be short or long. Though people may forget your looks, they'll not forget your song."